To prepare a sample for DSE analysis, use the tweezers to place an aluminium sample pan and lid onto the crimper base. Place this onto the accurate 5-figure balance, close the doors and tear. Remove from the balance. Put the funnel onto the sample pan to assist with adding the sample. Add a small amount of sample, about 5 to 10 milligrams. Carefully tamp the sample into the base of the sample pan using the special tool provided. Remove the funnel. Reweigh the sample and make a note of the weight. Use the tweezers to put the lid, dome side up, on the sample pan and place the base into the crimper. Carefully rotate the wheel twice, holding the base to keep the crimper steady. This seals the sample into the sample pan. Remove the base from the crimper and use the pin supplied to pierce a hole in the top of the sample pan, trying not to touch the pan with your fingers. The sample is now ready to be placed in the instrument.